Where's the rabbit? Rabbit house? No rabbit. No. I need some rabbit. Oh, I heard. Woohoo! Oh, here's a goat. What's the slang? Goat. The meaning of the goat. I think that there's a slang.
Goat, greatest of all time. G for greatest.
Okay, GOAT. Okay.
Greatest of all time.
And young people are lazy. Hello. You want to eat the iPhone?
Hey, yo. No.
Hello.
Not good.
Hello.
Hey. I want to feed the goat.
Okay. Oh, they are fighting.
Hey, what the someone's farming?
That doesn't smell good. That doesn't smell good. You want to get the coins or something?